A good cutting tool is important. Every craftsman needs one. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, the right tool can make all the difference in your work. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about doing it well, efficiently, and with precision. A reliable saw, for instance, is indispensable in any workshop. It's the kind of tool that you reach for time and time again, knowing it won't let you down. It's like having a trusty dog by your side. Just as a loyal dog provides companionship and support, a dependable saw offers reliability and consistency. It's always there when you need it, ready to tackle any task you throw its way. The bond between a craftsman and their tools is built on trust and familiarity, much like the bond with a faithful pet. You need a tool that can handle any job. From cutting through tough hardwoods to making delicate, precise cuts, a versatile saw is essential. Different projects require different types of saws, and having a variety at your disposal ensures you're always prepared. Whether it's a hand saw, a jigsaw, or a circular saw, each has its unique strengths and applications. Imagine starting a project without a saw. It would be incredibly frustrating and nearly impossible to achieve the results you want. The right saw not only makes the work easier but also enhances the quality of your craftsmanship. Without it, you'd be left struggling, unable to bring your creative visions to life. It would be like trying to eat soup with a fork. Just as a fork is the wrong tool for soup, using the wrong tool in your workshop can lead to poor results and unnecessary frustration. The right tool, on the other hand, makes the process smooth and enjoyable, allowing you to focus on the artistry of your work. You need the right tool for the job. An organized workbench with a selection of quality tools is the hallmark of a skilled craftsman. Each tool has its place and purpose, and knowing when and how to use them is key to successful woodworking. A well-chosen saw is a cornerstone of this toolkit, providing the versatility and reliability needed for a wide range of tasks. A saw helps you shape and cut your materials. It's not just about cutting wood, it's about shaping it to fit your vision. The precision and control a good saw offers are unmatched, allowing you to create intricate designs and perfect cuts. It's an extension of your hand, translating your ideas into tangible forms. It's the foundation of good craftsmanship. A well-made saw is more than just a tool, it's a partner in your creative process. It helps you bring your projects to life, ensuring each piece is crafted with care and precision. In the end, the quality of your tools reflects in the quality of your work, making a good saw truly a craftsman's best friend. When you get a new tool, unboxing is exciting. It's a moment filled with anticipation and curiosity. You can't wait to see the new addition to your toolkit, and the possibilities it brings. The compact folding saw is no exception. It's like unwrapping a present. The thrill of peeling back the layers of packaging, revealing the tool inside, is a joy that never gets old. You're eager to see what's inside. The excitement builds as you lift the lid off the box, wondering what surprises await you. The compact folding saw usually comes with a few essential things. These items are carefully selected to ensure you have everything you need to get started right away. First, you'll find the saw itself. This is the heart of the package, the main tool that will become an indispensable part of your collection. It's nestled securely in the packaging. The saw is carefully placed in a molded insert, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition, ready for use. Then, you'll likely find a carrying case. This case is designed to protect your saw and make it easy to transport. This case protects the saw and makes it easy to transport. Whether you're heading to a job site or storing it in your garage, the case ensures your saw is always safe and ready to go. Some models might include extra blades. These additional blades are a great bonus, providing you with options for different cutting tasks. This is great for different cutting tasks. Whether you're cutting through wood, metal, or plastic, having the right blade makes all the difference. Additionally, you'll find an instruction manual. This booklet is your guide to getting the most out of your new tool. It includes important safety information, assembly instructions, and tips for maintenance. Following the manual ensures you set up your saw correctly and safely. Taking the time to read through it can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Once everything is unboxed and set up, you're ready to start using your compact folding saw. This tool is designed to be versatile and efficient, making your cutting tasks easier and more precise. Remember to take care of your saw. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning and proper storage, will ensure it stays in good working condition for years to come. Enjoy your new tool and the satisfaction it brings. Happy cutting! When I first held this saw, it felt good. It's compact and lightweight. This makes it easy to handle. The blade is made of sturdy material. It looks sharp and ready to cut. The handle is comfortable to grip. This is important for long periods of use. And the safety lock, it's easy to use. I can tell this saw was built with safety in mind. Section 4. Features that make a difference. The folding design is genius. It makes the saw safe to store and carry. The blade material is impressive. It's designed to stay sharp, even after many uses. The teeth on the blade are sharp and precise. They cut through wood like butter. And the handle? It's ergonomically designed for comfort. This saw won't let you down. Section 5. Putting the saw to the test. In this section we will explore the capabilities of this compact folding saw by putting it through a series of rigorous tests on various materials. From wood to plastic and even metal, we'll see how it performs under different conditions. I tested this saw on different materials to evaluate its versatility and efficiency. The first material I chose was pine wood, a common material in many DIY projects. First, I tried it on a piece of pine wood. Pine wood is relatively soft, making it a good starting point to see how the saw handles basic cutting tasks. It sliced through it effortlessly. The saw's sharp teeth and ergonomic handle made the cutting process smooth and efficient, with minimal effort required. The cut was smooth and clean. This is crucial for any woodworking project, as a clean cut reduces the need for additional sanding and finishing. Next, I used it on a plastic pipe. Plastic pipes are often used in plumbing and other construction projects, so it's important to see how the saw handles this material. Again, it cut through with ease. The saw's design allows for smooth, consistent strokes, making it ideal for cutting through plastic without causing cracks or splinters. The saw didn't struggle at all. This is a testament to its sharpness and build quality, ensuring that it can handle a variety of materials without losing its edge. Finally, I tried it on a thin metal bar. Metal is significantly harder than wood or plastic, so this would be the ultimate test of the saw's capabilities. It took a bit more effort, but the saw made a clean cut. This shows that while the saw is primarily designed for wood and plastic, it can also handle light metal cutting tasks, making it a versatile tool for any DIY enthusiast. Section 6. Weighing the pros and cons. This saw has a lot going for it. It's portable, easy to use, and versatile. The blade is sharp and durable, plus the safety features are top-notch. However, it's not perfect. It might struggle with thicker materials, and the blade could be too aggressive for delicate work. But overall, the pros outweigh the cons. Section 7. Is this saw right for you? I highly recommend this saw for most DIY enthusiasts. It's a great all-around tool for various tasks. If you need to cut thicker materials, you might need a different saw. But for everyday projects, this saw is a winner. It's reliable, efficient, and gets the job done. Just remember to use it safely and always wear your safety glasses.